Panahon Ko To!
Team 3D, meron na kayong 5,000 pesos each plus 7,500 dahil nakuha nyo ang special extra hot question. At ito ang panahon para madagdagan yan dito sa Sinong Sikat.
Ang kailangan niyong gawin, Team 3D, is name the celebrity behind the stars.
At para matanggal ang mga nakatakit na stars, just fill in the blank with the correct answer. Bawat tamang sagot, worth 5,000 pesos din yan.
A reminder sa maglalaro, pwedeng mag-pass at balikan ang stars na hindi nabuksan.
Answer correctly kung sinong sikat and win 100,000 pesos. Team 3D, let's begin. Ang ating hango sa dekada 90s. Ngayon, sino sa inyo ang maglalaro?
Darren, ikaw na lang. Please step forward. Darren, you have 60 seconds to play. At reminder, this time sa teammates, no coaching time.
Timer starts now. Choose a star. One. Bundok ng Ibong Adarna.
Mount Blanc.
Pass 2.
Common saying.
Blank heals all wounds.
3. Pass.
Number 3. Popular Christmas carol.
Rudolph the Blank-Nosed Reindeer.
Red.
Correct.
4.
Star. Number 4. Popular nickname ng Palawan Province.
The Last Blank.
Province.
Wrong.
Choose a star.
5.
Number 5. National animal ng China.
Giant Blank.
Panda.
Correct.
6.
Number 6. Literal meaning ng judo.
The Blank Way.
Easy way.
Wrong.
7.
7. Nobela ni Domingo Landicho.
Bulaklak ng Blank.
Manila.
Correct.
4.
Number 4. Popular nickname ng Palawan Province.
The Last Blank.
Pass 1.
Number 1. Bundok ng Ibong Adarna.
Mount Blank.
Pass 2.
Number 2. Common saying.
Blank heals all wounds.
Time.
Correct.
Choose a star. You open 4 stars, Darren. Balikan natin yung mga hindi mo nasagot, starting off with number 1. Bundok ng Ibong Adarna.
Mount Blanc. Mount Tabor.
Number 4. Popular nickname ng Palawan Province.
The Last Blank. The Last Frontier.
Number 6. Literal meaning ng judo.
The Blank Way. Hindi the easy way, pero the gentle way. Or pwede rin the soft way. Darren, kailangan mong ibigay ang full name ng ating mystery celebrity. We are looking for a person.
Again, mula sa dekada 90s ang ating larawan. And you have 5 seconds para sabihin sa amin kung sinong sikat. Timer starts now.
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown. Tama kaya ang sagot niya? We will find out in a while. Pero kaya dyan, ano sa kung sinong sikat?
Kung kaya nyo, just text PKT space your and globe. TM, Sun Cellular, Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. Ngayon na ang panahon para mag-text.
Ang tamang sagot malalaman natin sa pagbabalik ng Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay